Electrical designers, stop what you're doing. I'm about to show you a $73 per hour contract that could change everything. This is a hybrid position that can be done primarily remotely. Right now in Jasper, Indiana, there's a robot cell project waiting for someone with your skills. We're talking clean wiring schematics, safety systems, the works. And here's the kicker: $89 per hour for overtime, and the customer is paying travel. But here's what nobody's telling you about the automation industry. While everyone's fighting over the same old job boards, the real opportunities are happening on specialized networks. That's where Automate America comes in. We've connected over 40,000 automation professionals with premium contracts. Not just any contracts, the kind where you actually own the project from start to finish. This Jasper contract? You get to choose your weapon, AutoCAD or EPLAN, your call. Remote work after the initial site visit, paid travel time. And did I mention it starts August 25th? But here's the thing. Contracts like this don't sit around waiting. The automation revolution is happening now, and the professionals who get ahead are the ones who move fast. While your competition is still updating their LinkedIn profiles, you could be designing the future of manufacturing. KUKA Robots, Allen Bradley PLCs, wood door manufacturing. This is where innovation meets opportunity. The link is in the description, automateamerica.com. Join 40,000 professionals who already know where the real opportunities are. Don't just find a job. Own a project. Build the future. The revolution starts with your next click.